After we know how to use the hatch command, now we're going to use the gradient, which is below hatch, which is pretty obvious. It has the same function, but it's different. How it's different? You see, I got a new ribbon. I have blue, I have yellow, I have centered, I have associative. So when I put my cursor in any boundary, pick internal point, it means I can pick any point inside this object that I want. But you can see there's the blue and there's the yellow, depends on these two. Let's go ahead and change it, just to play with it. You see, you can also choose different patterns, whatever you like, but it's the same as the hatch, but it's with two colors. It's right in here. You can change between you can choose pattern, which it will take you back to the hatch, just like the one previously we did, or you can just choose the gradient. Okay, I'm gonna choose different colors. Let's just say this one and this one. Okay, so I chose this one. The third one, which is the last, it's solid, so it chooses only one color. In here it's selected by layer. Okay, so if you remember the color of the layer I chose, which is this one, but there's a mistake I did. I'm gonna Control Z to undo that, because I didn't press enter for the gradient. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna click and press enter to finish the gradient that I did. Press escape a couple of times to cancel any other commands, and to try the solid on another object you can choose any one of these, because after all you're gonna change it. Just right here and choose solid. It will pick the color of the layer, which we chose was green, and when I put my cursor just inside this object it will turn into green. I'm gonna press it and click enter on my keyboard. So these are the three types of hatches: gradient and solid.